Hello everyone, today I make special soup, purple yam with pork patties. Beautiful color and taste very homey. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. Thank you, that means a lot to me. So these yams I grow in our garden. I will have the next video showing you how to harvest it. Now this video only about cooking, because if I combine the two, I'm afraid the video is too long. So I make this cooking video only for 6 minutes. Yes, you are with me for 6 minutes and then you know how to cook this delicious soup. So after I washed them, now I peel them. You can see that I cut the thick slices, top and bottom and around, because I will leave those for a few days for them to dry, and then I will put in the ground for the grow for the next year. Now I wash it again because you never know that you get the dirt onto it. After that, I use a saran wrap to cover and use a meat mallet to mash the yam down. It's very amazing, when you just mash it down, the texture and looks will transform into something very special. And that's it, you are ready to cook that in the stock. I just like to play with my dough, look like dough. You can see the color is gorgeous. By the way, this yam, people make cake, make sweet with it too. So next time you will see me make some kind like this. Now I said that I cook the soup in stock. I have chicken stock ready, but to make it more interesting to eat, I will drop in some pork patties. I'm making them now. If you wear two gloves, it will be easier, but I use only one hand. The other hand, I touch the device, I touch the camera, tablet, something like that, so I'm lazy to remove glove back and forth, so I use only one gloves here, and I use the other spoon to help me. Now this is all the herbs that go on top for the garnish and for the aroma as well. Culantro, cilantro, green onion, paddle, herbs, and Cuban oregano and Vietnamese oregano. Whatever you have on hand, you can use them. But those herbs were the ones my mother cooked this soup with. Very fragrant herbs. especially you can, when you grow them for yourself, it's very fragrant and aromatic. Now I rub the stock boiling. I drop my patty in first because the patties takes longer to cook than the yam, and you need to stir them because if you make it too thick, it will burn at the bottom of the pot. So I season very simple: salt, pepper, and fish sauce. Half a teaspoon salt and pepper and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. My stock already cooked in advance and very flavorful, so I don't need to season so much. Now I already presented on the bowl and just rub in the herbs, and we are ready to eat. You are invited. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.